Good morning and welcome to PPP Systems Limited online shop. Wanted to take you through some of the features of our shop and how it works. When you first go into our website and choose online shop, you come to this page which has some general information. When you browse the shop, all our products are listed, and you can work your way through and add or remove items from your basket. And you can see when I add an item, the basket pops up. Add another item and another, and then we have keywords here that allow us to narrow down, and these keywords are related to the products as opposed to you typing them in. So for example, if I click thermal, it brings me up our thermal ribbon, and you'll notice with this particular product there's a video attached to it. So when we click view the video of this product, up pops a video, and it shows you, this particular video shows you how you fit the ribbon to a Godex G500. You can add one of those to our, in fact let's have two, and then you can see how it works. And when we've decided we've finished, we can look at our basket. It tells us we've got 4 items. We can see our items. We can say let's have another one of those, another one of those, and another one of those. And when we're happy with that, we have our total, and we basically click to confirm that you've read the terms and conditions. Terms and conditions can be found here, and then you can go through to pay for the items. So in here I'm going to just pay with debit or credit card, and in here you will find your basket. So we've got film quantity 2, number plates 2, and it just highlights everything that you've purchased, including the VAT and the item total. And then you simply go through and fill in your card details, and when you finish paying, you're brought back to our website with an order completion page, and it will give you details of where the goods are being shipped to, and then you can return back to our website. Any problems, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.